Hey guys, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. This is going to be a quick video this week. I'm making 4 different coasters out of Wickett Craig's 8 to 12 ounce russet skirting leather for some heavy duty coasters. Let's go! Thank you guys for watching this quick video. These coasters aren't on the website just yet. I'm still debating which ones are my favorite, but I'd like to hear from you guys. What style is your favorite? Do you like the round coasters, the square coasters, the stitching or no stitching? Let me know in the comments below, and I may just throw up a set of 4 on the website depending on what everyone's favorite are. Please be sure to like and subscribe and pass the torch. I'll see you guys next week.